J Balvin will debut his Air Jordan 1 collaboration during the Super Bowl halftime performance with Jennifer Lopez and Shakira. He becomes the first Latino artist to collaborate on the iconic silhouette. Balvin's Air Jordan 1 features a vibrant tie-dye design, layered canvas upper design, jagged edges, exposed foam tongues, completed with a set of 3 Velcro icons on the heel, and Balvin's happy face logo covering the tongue label. Look for the J Balvin Air Jordan 1 to release on December 8th at select Nike retailers and the Nike sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $190 US. Now, I will be going over places to cop this shoe, places holding raffles. I'll also get into resell, but before we do that, let's just look over this sneaker. So obviously this is a very loud colorway. You got different jagged edges, you got some rounded edges as well, and the smiley face patch on the side. You also have that design on the tongue as well as the insole. So the shoe does come with black, white, pink, and green laces, all of which I think will look really good on this shoe. You could possibly find some blue laces, throw them on here. I think that would look decent as well. Either way, this shoe's gonna pop. It's gonna stand out. You're gonna be breaking necks. It is a collaboration, so there's a lot of hype around it. So with that being said, you already know there's gonna be good resale. Right now on StockX, this shoe's going for around $800. I definitely think that price is gonna drop after release day, but not by a whole lot. I see right after release day, it may be hitting like $450 to $600, you know, somewhere around that price range, and then with time just going up. So in 6 months to a year, I wouldn't be surprised if this shoe's sitting around $700. But yeah, dope colorway, cool collaboration. Let me know what you guys think of the colorway. What do you think of the materials, the whole design? And if you're like me and don't really know who J Balvin is, that's totally fine. We're just looking to make a quick buck with this shoe. Honestly, I would wear it though, but I think with this one, I'm just gonna go for resale. But yeah, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, your boy Breezy Kicks, we out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.